We are pleased to show you the 2026 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, black door handles, Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass, optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.